Hey guys, what's up? TheGreatUnboxer here, and today I've got an unboxing video of the Xbox 360 Kinect 250GB model. As you can see in front of me, here is the box. Now, the reason why I bought this was because I sold my Wii, and I needed something to entertain me and my friends when they come over. So I'm pretty excited to unbox this, and I'm just going to show you around the box right now. Here we've got some stuff about the Kinect, other Kinect models, other Xbox 360 models, sorry about that. On the back we've got some pictures about some people playing Kinect, enjoying Kinect. And here we've got another photo of the Xbox 360 with the Kinect. On the top we have got some lovely, what do you call those, icons? And yeah, so here there is a, what is this? There is a seal, which I'm going to cut right now. Okay, here we go. Trying to see what it's in frame. There we go. It says jump in. Whew. Okay. So inside, as you can see, there is the Xbox 360 itself. We have got a start here guide, which is basically a quick start guide for you. And here we've got the Xbox 360 with some foam. Lovely foam. So here's the Xbox 360. I'll put that to the side for just a moment. Ooh. Inside, as you can see here, we have got, let me just rest that on the wall. Attempt to rest on the wall. Okay, let me just move the camera there. Here we go. So here we have got the Xbox 360 game for the Kinect Adventures, which looks pretty interesting. Let's just open this one first. What's in here? I don't know. This is the cable for the Kinect. Okay. We have got the lovely headset, and here we have the Xbox 360 controller. I think this is the newer one. Pretty sure it is. Slowly take it out. Oops. There it is. Lovely stuff. Comes with two Duracell batteries. Put those to the side. Opening the side. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Here is the. Oh crap. That's a fail. Just put that down. Here is the lovely, big, humongous power brick for the Xbox 360. What else do we have inside? We have got also a manual and warranty for the Xbox 360 and Kinect. On the other side, we have got some cables. We have got a video cable, which is kind of sad that they don't include a HDMI cable. And we've got a power adapter theme above. I don't know what it's called. I'm going to call it a power adapter for now. So, also getting out the Kinect, which is on top here in case you guys did not see it before. Picking it out. Here we go. It's got some foamy thingamabobs again. Just remove the box. Put it down there. Here we go. Some tape at the bottom. Now to take this out without actually damaging the thingamabob. I don't know. Oh, never mind. I'll just rip it off. Whew. Why do you pack these things so difficult to remove? Oh my gosh. Ah, got it out. I've got it out. I hope so. Woo! Okay, here we go. Holy crap, this is humongous. This is huge. What in the hell? Okay, we've got this foamy thingy there. Here is the Xbox 360 Kinect. This is humongous. Holy crap. Look at that. It's like, I didn't expect that to be that big, but it is. So I've got on the bottom, we've got some rubber padding to put on your computer, your TV or your TV stand thing, I don't know. I've got some lovely ventilation thingamabobs over there as well. And we are finally moving on to the Xbox 360 itself. Not to forget that. Okay, so how do I open this? I'm such a noob. Where is the... Okay. Got some tape here that I'm going to open. Oh great, I've got more tape at the bottom. Lovely. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. It is so shiny. Woo! This thing is glossy as hell. Look at that. That is full on shiny, man. So, going around the console itself. Here we've got the disc tray, as you can see. Then we've got the power button. And then we've got two USB ports down there. On the top, we've got some ventilation thingamabobs. Here is the side. We've got a Xbox 360 logo there. On the back, we have got three USB ports, a AV port thingamabob, HDMI port as well, which is over here. And then we've got, I do not know what that is. I have no idea what that is actually, but yeah. Then we've got some stuff and a power adapter thingamabob. This is actually really heavy, but yeah. So here is the other side. We've got some lovely fans to keep it cool, and here's the bottom. So overall, thinking of this Xbox 360, honestly it's lighter than the Xbox 360 Elite. Oh yes, I shall open this, whoops, Kinect Adventures as well. I suppose, since, you know, where is my blade? Here it is. Shall attempt to open this, okay. Looks pretty cool. And what is this? Sensor calibration. Oh, look, smiley face. Sensor calibration card. I don't know what that is, but okay. Here we've got the disc, and we've got some manuals, and hopefully some Xbox Live for me to start off with. If not, then I'll have to go and buy some. But yeah, so there it is. So that is my unboxing of the Xbox 360 Slim model, 250GB Kinect with the Kinect. Thank you for watching. Please, you know, subscribe if you like this video, and for more upcoming unboxing videos and reviews of iPhone 4 cases and whatnot. I also want to give a shout out to the Tech Maniac for doing my YouTube background. If you go onto my channel right now, he has done my background, and it is pretty much freaking awesome. So, and my thingy, my MSN has just gone off, but yeah. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!